Hi guys, and welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a Google Meet. The first thing you need to do is open your browser on your laptop or computer. You can have any browser as long as you have your own Google account. So once you have and open your Google account, go to the settings right here, this Google settings, and you look for Meet. There is a video call like icon here, and you will see the word Meet. That is the icon for Google Meet. So when you click that one, you'll be headed to the Google Meet page. As you can see, you can have premium video meetings now free for everyone on Google Meet. So if you want to click the new meeting, you can create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule a meeting on your Google Calendar. You can also enter a code or link here when someone invites you to join their Google Meet. So when you paste the link here or enter the link here, you just click the highlighted join button right here. And then the next thing you need to do is go to the Google Meet, right? If you want to create a Google Meet, you need to click Start an Instant Meeting and allow the browser to use your microphone and your camera. And then you will have now your Google Meet. Your meeting is ready. You can add others here. When you click this one, invite them through their Google accounts. You can also copy the link here and share it to other platforms if you want others to join your Google Meet. The buttons right here are the mute, the turn on camera button, captions, emojis. If you're sharing a presentation, you click this one. If you're in a class, you can raise your hand. These are the more options. And when you click here, the button right here, this is the leave call or end the meeting button. So when you click that one, you'll leave the meeting and you will be able to rejoin or return to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one.